Hey Mark, the Meerkat suffering in for Des for one more day. This is the Broad Market Review for March the 6th, 2013. Well, happy days are here once again, another all-time high on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. But let's take a look first at the S&P 500, and it was only up a fraction. So let's look at the numbers. Here we go. Look, it's still starting to settle out here as I record this at 7 minutes after close, and wow, up 0.18%. Woo woo, we're big up. Not really on the S&P, but 42 points up on the Dow Jones Industrials. But we were down just 1 point there on the NASDAQ, and the small caps were up just by fraction as well. So pretty much a doji day on Wall Street. Not a lot of movement. There was some up and there were some downs. Now, but look at this though. Bank though stayed solid at 0.35%. So that's a nice bullish sign. But the VIX was up just slightly, which is a bearish sign. And the gold was up, 0.5%, and silver up 1.2%. But look at that. Oil down again under that $90 level. And we've got UUP up, which would support actually a down move on the market. And the Grok graduates out there, which we do have a study session tonight, by the way. 0.62 is a close on that. Close to what we needed it at, but not quite there. Well, let's take a look then at the daily chart for the S&P. And as you can see, it was almost like a doji day. Almost, I don't know, quite, can't call that a tombstone there. Don't know if it's quite extended enough, but let's take a look at it on the weekly, though. This is the interesting one because we have broken above that solid line of resistance that we had here, here, and here. So nice high base breakout on the S&P 500 weekly. A quick look at the Dow Jones Industrials, and it, as you can see, boom, 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 boom. That's going up there. Now we have to look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of the last 7 legs have been up. So typical legs only up about 4 to 6. And there's a pullback, so we just need to be cautious at these high levels. And the NASDAQ, it was one actually did end up just a little bit negative today. It was up there for a while. And then the small caps on the RUT. A beautiful bull pullback here, and was up just slightly here at close. Well, it's been a pleasure. We're working with you the last week, and Des will return tomorrow for the Broad Market Review. Until then, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering, just here to remind you that we trade what we see, not what we think. Trade well.